Awful? Justice takes a dramatic turn in Memphis. A new trial has been ordered for 3 former police officers previously convicted in the tragic death of Tyre Nichols. But here's where it gets controversial. The reason behind this retrial is a claim of judicial bias, raising serious questions about fairness in the courtroom. In a decision that's reigniting public debate, U.S. District Judge Cheryl H. Littman has mandated a fresh trial for ex-officers Tadarius Bean, Demetrius Haley, and Justin Smith. These men were found guilty in October 2024 of federal charges related to obstructing justice through witness tampering, following the brutal beating of Tyre Nichols, a 29-year-old black man who died after fleeing a traffic stop. The defense argued that the original trial judge, Mark S. Norris, exhibited bias against the defendants. Norris, who had overseen the case until shortly before sentencing, stepped down in June 2024, prompting Judge Littman to take over. This shift in judicial leadership has now led to the retrial order, a move that's bound to stir both legal and public controversy. 2 other officers involved, Emmett Martin and Desmond Mills Jr., chose to plead guilty before the federal trial began, avoiding the courtroom drama that now surrounds their former colleagues. The incident that sparked this legal saga occurred on January 7, 2023. Nichols was forcibly pulled from his vehicle by police, then subjected to pepper spray and a taser. He attempted to escape but was later caught and violently assaulted by 5 officers, who notably were also black. The beating, which happened just steps from Nichols' home, included punches, kicks, and baton strikes. In a heartbreaking moment, Nichols cried out for his mother. He succumbed to his injuries 3 days later. Footage from a police surveillance camera revealed a chilling scene. The officers casually chatting and laughing, while Nichols lay gravely injured. This video ignited outrage across the country, sparking widespread protests and renewed demands for systemic police reform. Adding another layer to the story, Judge Norris, who recused himself, was appointed to the federal bench in 2018 by then-President Donald Trump. Before his judicial role, Norris was a prominent Republican figure in Tennessee politics, serving as Senate Majority Leader since 2007. His district included parts of Shelby and Tipton counties, and this is the part most people miss. The retrial doesn't erase the original verdict. It reopens the door to a new legal battle that could reshape public perception of justice in cases involving police violence. So here's the question. Should a judge's perceived bias be enough to overturn a conviction in such a high-profile case? Or does this decision risk undermining accountability for law enforcement? Let's hear your thoughts. Do you agree with the retrial, or do you think justice was already served?